Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. This is like my take on the rainbow eye look, and I really love how this eye came out. I wasn't expecting to be able to do this eye, but I did, and I really am in love with this look right here. And I even wore falsies today and all that jazz. So I really hope you guys like this tutorial on this look. Now before we get into the video, please press the subscribe button down below if you want to subscribe to my channel and if you like this look that I created. And before we get on to the video, guys, I just wanted to tell you a quick affirmation. So I want you guys today to listen to this. So this affirmation for today is, my life is just beginning. So if you are in a place in your life where you feel like it's so late for you to start over, it's so late for you to just achieve anything, no, your life is just beginning, and you can achieve and you can start anything you want to. Any passion you've wanted to do or any dreams you've had, you can start that any day. Your life is literally just beginning, and don't think that your life is over, your life is ending or anything like that. Like, just think that every day is a new opportunity to try something and to start something and just go after whatever. So I just want you guys to remember that. So that's the affirmation for today, and just keep watching for the tutorial on this eye look. So I'm gonna start off by taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and just priming my lids. Now I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to start off with that yellow. And with this look, it's a lot of building and building. So this yellow took me a long time to build up, especially because I have darker skin. So I did go back and forth with this yellow a lot. Now I'm going to be applying that corally shade, so I'm going to apply that next to the yellow on my lids. I wanted to have like a gradient look, like going from yellow to corally, so I tried to like blend it outwards. I don't blend it towards the yellow.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
And as you see on my face here, I forgot to press the record button, but basically what I did was I took the blue and the green and I applied those as my outer V. So what I did first is I went in with the blue first, and then I went in with the green, and I just have it going from blue to green on the outer part of my eyes. So this requires a lot of blending, so what I'm doing is I'm just going over all the colors because I want to make them more pigmented. So I went over the yellow, I went over the corally pink, the regular pink, the blue, and the green, just to make everything more pop and more vibrant. With this makeup wipe, I'm just going to clean up the edges, and I'm trying to make my edges look sharp. So with the makeup wipe, I use it to just sharpen out the edges. And here I am just talking to myself about how much I love this look that I created. I was just so in love with it, and I was just so happy that I was actually able to create this look. To prime my face, I'm going to use the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. For foundation, I'm mixing two Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. This is in the Dewy formula. I have to mix two shades because Wet n Wild isn't the best at shade range, so I just had to mix two shades. For concealer, I'm taking my Tarte Creaseless concealer. I really love this concealer a lot. A lot of people don't really like it, but I really love this concealer. But I'm using that to highlight the center of my face. And to set all that, I'm going to take my Becca powder and just apply that to the places where I applied concealer. And to add some bronze to my skin, I'm taking the Bare Minerals Invisible Bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze my skin with this. And for highlight, I'm taking the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals, and I'm just going to use that to highlight my face. And for blush, I'm taking my Buxom Wanderlust blush in Mykanos. So that is it for my face. So now I'm going to go back to my eyes. I'm going to actually apply some Ilia Mascara because I'm going to go in with falsies. So I'm just going to apply that, like do like a coat of it on my lashes and then apply the falsies. Now I'm going to go back into that yellow from the NYX palette and I'm going to smudge that on my lower lash line, but I'm going to really focus it in the inner part of my lower lash line, like that inner corner part. And now I'm going to take that corally pink shade and smudge that as well. And now I'm going to take that pinky shade, that pink, and go over the coral. Then I'm going to go in with that purple and just smudge that. I'm just taking this black Colourpop eyeliner and I'm going to put that on my waterline. I'm also going to tightline with this. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm taking my favorite, the Colourpop Flexitarian highlight. I'm just going to apply that to my inner corners. I just love this silvery inner corner look. It's just so beautiful. And to line my lips, I'm using the KKW lip liner in the shade Nude 2, and I'm going to go over that with the Kylie Liquid lipstick in Dolce K. And on top of that, I'm going to take the Colourpop lip gloss in the shade Lychee Me. This was the collaboration with Karrueche Tran. This is one of my favorite glosses. Colourpop, please bring this gloss back. I love this lip gloss. It's so beautiful and just so natural. Alright, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I really hope you loved the look as much as I loved creating it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!